Breeze is such an amazing quilt. It's a new quilt by Judy Niemeyer, and it's all paper pieced. And talk about a heirloom quilt that you could keep for yourself or give to someone that you love. And it comes in either a wall size of 68 by 68 inch square, or the one that I made that you've probably seen hanging in the classroom is a queen size, and that's 99 by 99. Are the colorways that we have kitted. We have a kit, sorry, I should say that. We have a kit that you can purchase, and it's done in the colorways that are hanging on the wall, and that's an exclusive colorways to Laurie's Country Cottage. Or if you want, you can do it in your own colorways, and I will come and I will help you in the store picking your fabrics. During the class, we're going to learn everything from cutting out the fabrics all the way to sewing it together in the final assembly. But I would like it if you've had some paper piecing experience before taking this class, because it is a big project and it's going to be so fun to make. And like I said, it's going to be a heirloom quilt that you will have to hand down through the generations.